Hello, my name is Dani Herrera-Verdejo, and this is the Managed Project Procurement Unit, Procurement Supplier Meetings for GelTel Roleplay. Hi everyone, thanks for joining today's meeting. I really appreciate you taking the time. Welcome to the supplier meeting for the GelTel project with Connect Tech Systems. This is a friendly catch-up, so it's an open meeting, nothing too formal, so please feel free to jump in anytime or share your thoughts. First, let's all introduce ourselves for the minutes. I'm Dani, the project manager for the GelTel project. My role is to make sure everything runs smoothly from start to finish. That includes keeping the project on schedule, managing our suppliers, and making sure we meet our quality and budget targets. Who'd like to go next?
Me, I'll go next. Hi everyone, I'm Murray, the internal quality lead on this project. I'm here to make sure the software and installation meets Gelis's technical standards and quality benchmarks. My job is to make sure everything we deliver meets our internal ICT standards and aligns with the specifications set out in the contract. I also check that any changes are properly tested and documented.
Hi all, I'm Jaden, the project coordinator. I keep track of the project schedule, update the procurement register, and make sure the communication between our internal teams and supplier stays on track. I also help document meetings like this one.
Hi everyone, I'm Nithya, your external stakeholder. My name is Muhammad from Connect Tech Systems. We are providing the telephony software solution for GelTel, including installation, integration with the existing CRM and email systems, plus the staff training and 12-month support package once everything goes live.
Great, thanks everyone, and welcome Mohammed. The main purpose of today's meeting is to check progress since our last catch-up, make sure we're on the same page with the delivery timelines, and talk through a few issues that have led to a project variation. We will also finish by agreeing on our next steps and confirming what will go into the status report for governance. So let's start with a progress update. Mohammed, can you please give us an overview of where things are at with installation and integration?
Sure, the software build has been completed and our engineers started integration testing at the Sydney data center last week. We had a short delay, about 1 week, due to a late shipment of some server components, but everything's now back on site and configured. We expect to catch up on lost time before the next milestone.
That's good to hear. Thanks for the update. And it's reassuring that we're back on track. How's the overall performance been during testing so far?
Really solid. The system's running stable and we've completed most of the core feature testing like call routing, voicemail, and system integration. The CRM link was a bit tricky at first, but our developer worked with your IT team to resolve that.
Great, thanks. And Murray, how are things looking from the quality side?
Overall, everything's tracking well. I can confirm Mohammed's assessment of the overall performance testing. The updated integration is performing well now, and the test results meet our quality standards. There are still 2 minor software patches outstanding though. We'll need those applied before we start user acceptance testing.
Yes, absolutely. We've got that on our radar. We are scheduling those patches for upload during the next maintenance window this Thursday night.
Perfect. That sounds like a good plan. As everyone knows, we've had a few scheduling changes, mainly because of the earlier software delay and some upcoming public holidays that will impact training sessions. This means we need to shift some of our internal milestones by roughly 2 weeks. Mohammed, from your side, does this cause any issues with your delivery capacity or contract terms?
Not at all. We've reviewed the project schedule and can absorb the shift without any changes to cost or resource allocation. The only thing we'll need is an updated timeline so our support team can plan their availability.
Great, thanks for being flexible on that. Jaden, can you please take note to update the schedule and share the revised version with everyone by early next week?
Yeah, already noted. I'll update the project portal with the new milestones and email a summary once it's approved.
Perfect, great. Thanks, Jaden. And Murray, any quality concerns with this variation?
From a quality point of view, this variation shouldn't cause any problems as long as we have time to retest the system after the new patches are installed. It actually gives us a bit of breathing room to double check the integration reports.
That's good feedback, Murray. I'd rather take the extra time now and make sure everything's working properly than rush it.
Agreed, we want to deliver a reliable product. coordinate with Mari's team once the updates are done to make sure everything passes before moving into the training phase.
Okay, that's great teamwork. While we're on the topic, Mohammed, could you give us a quick update on the training materials? Have those been finalized yet?
Yes, we've completed the admin and user training manuals. They are currently being formatted into your internal template. We'll also run through a short demo for your IT staff during the first training session.
Oh, that's excellent. It'll be good for our support team to see how everything connects behind the scenes.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks for confirming that, Mohammed. I think once those sessions are locked in, we'll be in a strong position for rollout. Okay, so just to recap the main points. The supplier is back on schedule with integration testing underway at the Sydney Data Centre. 2 software patches will be uploaded by Thursday. A 2-week variation has been approved to accommodate the delay and upcoming holidays. Jaden will update and circulate the revised schedule by early next week. Training materials are complete and ready for review. And Murray's team will conduct a full system retest once the patches are installed. Mohammed, can you please send a short confirmation email by this Friday confirming your acceptance of the updated timeline and variation?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll get that through to you by Friday afternoon.
Thanks, really appreciate it. I'll then prepare a procurement status report for our governance team that summarizes today's discussion, progress, and actions. Before we wrap up, does anyone have any questions, concerns, or final comments?
No questions here. Everything's clear from my side.
All good from me.
Nothing from me, thanks.
All right, sounds good. Sounds like we're all on the same page. All right, so thanks so much, everyone, for your hard work and collaboration. It really makes a difference. I'll schedule our next progress meeting in 2 weeks. So thanks again and enjoy the rest of your day.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bench Mohammed's.